Yo, today we got a dope ACG unboxing. Not really wearing any ACG. It doesn't really go with the kicks, but oh well. Today we are looking at the ACG Lowcate. So the thing about these bad boys, saw them when I was shopping one time. Not this colorway, but I tried them on. I was like, these are actually like the comfiest walking shoes ever. Not really a winter shoe. Probably more for the summer and fall. For trail type thing, but you know, I could use in the winter. I just wouldn't want to ruin them, so probably a summer shoe for me. For the saving for the summer, I gotta prepare because I got them on sale for like 90 bucks. They're originally like 100 and something, and then like 105, and then I was like, oh, give me a price adjustment. So I got the price adjustment, but it really sucks because I was gonna get them on this other website for only like $60 or like $50, so cheap. Ended up getting some other Nike Air Matas, so you can go check that out in the description. I'll go put that down below. I think that's what they're called. They're like an ACG kind of boot type thing. So I ended up getting those ones. We got the classic ACG box, Nike ACG Lowcate in colorway wolf gray, navy gray fog. So you know I love that gray and blue. That mixture was super fire. I was like, I gotta get this. Size 10.5, so I do recommend sizing up for these. They are a little bit tight. I'm size 10 usually. DM 8019004. You can see all the information in the description if you're interested in finding out more. ACG means all conditions gear, designed for all conditions. What else are you gonna expect, you know? Okay, classic. See the earth there? Planet made for Earth, you know? Made on Earth for Earth. We open it up. Woo! They put them standing up in here. Interesting. I've only seen that once before, where the shoes are standing up inside the box. Okay, so we got the left shoe here. Very nice. The first thing you see is like these nice speckled laces. They look like they're like kind of reinforced. They are very, very tiny though, now that I'm actually looking at them. They do look like nice like reinforced laces a little bit. They're so tiny. And then of course you see that velvety design throughout. The suede, not velvet, I don't know what I'm talking about. That suede design. And you can see on the new, this season's new, ACG's new Lowcate, they actually changed it to leather, which makes sense and it's a good idea because the suede's gonna get ruined so quickly. It's really nice though. That's what the thing about it is. It looks so much nicer compared to the leather, but yeah, it's obviously gonna get ruined. Not really good for all the seasons, but that's why in the summer, just like if it gets dirty and stuff, you can clean it. But it's the one thing I have against suede. It's one of those my nitpicky materials. They still got the leather check on here, then they got some like leather paint stuff. I don't know what this like plastic paint that some companies use, but the 8 gray and ACG, I feel like that's gonna get scratched off too. And then they got like this net mesh throughout. You can actually see through it. That's how much like air flow is gonna be going through. Like it's completely mesh. Even on the top of the tongue, it's mesh. Not see-through on the tongue because there is the regular cushion on the bottom of the tongue, but the top is mesh, sides mesh. Tongue also has that reinforcement so you can't see through, but you can see through the sides, so you're going to be getting a lot of that airflow, like very similar to how Ishod added airflow onto his Nike SBs, and I talked about that in one of my previous unboxings. You can go check that out on my channel. It's my most popular video. ACG designed, tested, and made on planet Earth for outdoor use. You got the logo printed in there. It'll probably wipe off pretty quick. Then we got a trail frame. You can tell it's recycled probably because of that speckled, so that's probably where the main recycling comes in. It looks like just on that sole, I think, that trail frame. Very cushiony. Pretty sure they put air in there. Not sure actually if there's air in there, but it is the trail frame, so it has whatever is in the trail frame. I'm not sure what the properties, the technologies involved in there. It looks like there is some layering, about like 3 layers all the way up to the heel. So there probably is some kind of unit in there, and then you do get this nice trail treading. I love that about the shoe, with this nice trail frame and white ACG in the middle. Beautiful colors. All goes so well together, and you get some reinforcement on the toe. And then there's like a weird, I don't know if this is like the model number, you just got some random like print there, and then all condition gear embossed at the toe as well on that reinforcement. So that's a really cool extra detail. I love to see all the details to show that they're actually putting the effort. And then you got also this nice like ACG logo pull thing on the tongue, and I like to see no pull tongue tab on the heel because I never even use that. They just have a nice ACG print with more like nubuck suede. It's rougher. I'm not sure. Then yeah, it's just like the mesh interior. I'll try them on now to show you what they're like on the feet. I think I pretty much went through everything. It's pretty deep treads on the bottom too. Maybe I'll show you them on the trails eventually too, depending when I put this video out. I don't know, 'cause it's really snowy outside, so I don't ruin them. So I probably won't test these. I'll do a review video like next summer. 'Cause who knows, maybe I'll even end up, if the leather ones go on sale, I could even end up getting a pair of the leather ones and comparing them, doing like a full review video if I really love them. Who knows? You never know. That's what's nice about trying all different kind of shoes, to find the ones you really love the most, the ones that you're gonna stick with and use all the time. So it's really cool. Really excited for that. Really excited for these. Really eager to get these, and I just have like a really good feeling about them. Like I'm gonna like these ones a lot. I'll take out the other one really quick too, just to show you them both before I actually jump into the preview. But like in all my videos, I do a preview, put in the timestamp in the description below. You can go check that out. At the end of my videos, I always try them on. Close-up preview, the 4K macro lens, HD, you know what I mean, with the lights, all that. So that's really cool. Check that out. Make sure to like and subscribe to support. I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, it's a beautiful shoe, honestly. Very well constructed. I'm really looking forward to see how these hold up in the long run. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, everybody. Peace.
You know, the laces are the way I like, so that's good. From inside out. Yeah. Oh, these look so comfy. I love how they're like a wide kind of shoe too. Like they're a little bit narrow in the middle, but then like they give so much room for your foot, like your toe and stuff. Like I think that's one of the main reasons why I was like so excited for these.
So let me know in the comments, do they go with the yellow or what? Totally, right? Definitely goes with the yellow. These cords out of here, man. Get these cords out of here, man. So they're like a little bit loose, 10.5, but I like it to be a bit looser. Because they have like all that extra comfort. Like there's a lot of extra comfort around the heel and the inside, like around the toes and stuff. Like all these like bigger areas is just extra comfort. But then they're super breathable, which is dope. Where do I need to stand? They're so fire. Like, do they have a weird squeaky sound? No. They look kind of like Big Toad, but the gray helps. Maya, get out of here. They look kind of Big Toad, but the gray definitely helps. Like you can tell they're like a trail shoe, but still they're like a running shoe. So yeah, I could probably go for a 10, but it's just like right here, it's so narrow, like at the top. I have a like really high, fat foot. But yeah, bam.